Hey everyone, welcome back to Garnock Reviews, where today we're checking out an ArrowCat 320. This is a fantastic boat to consider whether you're looking into fishing, diving, fast cruising, or a combination of all three. This one measures in at 31 foot 2 inches in length, but because she's a cat, she's got a 10 foot beam and she's got a draft at 18 inches. This not only gives you a great amount of space, but also gives you a great amount of stability for its size as well. So we step into the aft cockpit. Those seats that you see, there's storage underneath those. And this one's powered by twin 300 horsepower outboards. I like the platform in the middle for either fishing or diving. You got a bait station here with a live well. I like that you can close off these little doors on either side of the transom, and that way it's safe and secure if you get pets or young kids on board. And as we step inside, I love the fact that there's as many opening windows and doors leading into here. That way you get plenty of fresh air if you want, but you can keep it all enclosed, run that AC, so it doesn't matter what the weather is outside, it's nice and cool in here for cruising. So to port, we've got an L-shaped seating area with storage under the seats, and that cockpit table also folds out to be a full-size table when needed. And then to starboard, you've got the galley with a 2-burner electric stovetop, you got a fridge, you got the stainless steel sink, and plenty of storage for everything you need for a weekend away. I love the central location of the helm. You get great visibility, 360 degrees. This one's equipped with twin Garmin multifunction displays. And this one's actually joystick operated as well for complete ease of maneuverability. Then a few short steps down on the starboard side, and that'll take you to the forward cabin. There's plenty of room in here for a couple to enjoy a weekend away on the water. I also like the natural light that came in from that overhead hatch. And there's plenty of storage throughout the cabin, including underneath the bed itself. And we make our way across to the port side. This is where you're going to find the head compartment on board, as well as an additional pilot berth. And this one does come with a 14-gallon holding tank. There's 44-gallon fresh water capacity. It's also got 196-gallon fuel capacity. But in here you'll get the electric marine toilet. There's hot and cold shower. There's a sump pump. There's also a sink, mirror, shelves, and storage for your personal belongings and toiletries. And then underneath the main saloon is where that pilot berth is. This would also double up as extra storage if you wanted to as well. I could have spent all day talking to the team at ArrowCat. This isn't your cookie cutter type boat building experience. Whenever you buy these boats, they work with you to find out what your requirements are and help design and spec the boat to suit your needs and budget. ArrowCat is designed and built in Clearwater, Florida, but they've actually sold boats to all 7 seas and 4 oceans. And one of those upgrades you can get is to have the Flybridge installed. From up here you can see how much deck space we have in the bow for both laying out and also for fishing. The helm's got everything you need for coastal cruising. You've got that multifunction display, you got joystick for close quarter manoeuvring, you got autopilot. And up here you've got both drink holders and rod holders, and you've also got additional seating so you can have your friends and family up here with you. And you can see we've got great visibility over the stern, which will be a real advantage for you if you're into offshore fishing and chasing the big game. I'd like to thank ArrowCat for the opportunity to let me come on board and share this video with you. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments on this one if you'd leave a comment down below. I'll leave a link to the ArrowCat website in the description. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks everyone.